We got the shiz. Damn, she looking kind of fire, bro. I just gotta get the exhaust fixed because it's rattling like really badly. It's rattling, and I got to get this exhaust leak fixed down there. Small leak. Here's the before, and here's the after. And I'm gonna show you how to get from before to after. Step one: make sure you have the part. Have the old halogen in there, and you can tell it's slightly burnt. So the tail light part of it didn't work. No, the running light didn't work, but the brake light worked on this halogen. But this one is gonna take over. All right, so step one: pop this damn clip. Pretty sure it's already. All right. Oh yeah, she's about ready to come off. All right. Set the tools down. Open this up. It should be this light bulb right here. Let's see. Yep, it is. All right. Pull this guy out if you can. Play with the trunk liner a little bit. Beautiful. It's a little Cessna, I think. Alright, now you want to safely remove this, and I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, so... Hell yeah, I got the polarity right first try. Hell yeah. Alright, now what you're gonna want to do is run this thing back into its hole. The bulbs are a bit longer than the halogen one, so it's gonna be a little bit of a hassle trying to get these back in their hole. And it's already covered in dust because this. There we go. Up down the subs, they both bump. I'm talking trunk rattling bump. Yep. You want to reassemble your stuff. There's a little seam in here. Want to get the edge of your carpet liner inside the seam to reduce any more dirt and dust around your area. Don't mind the crappy wire management there, but yep, just get this clip nice and installed and onto these lights. Let's go. I thought this little Phillips thing had a chance. Take this off, but nope. So let me go get an actual Phillips screwdriver, not multi-tool from Bass Pro. Eight-legged freak. Jeez. But without getting bitten, I think the whole thing comes out. And longest screws ever, by the way. I'm definitely getting out the Ryobi for this one. But yeah, I know for a fact this one works. The bulb in this one's burnt. Alright, so after you split the casing open, all you're going to do is pull this little bulb out. Pull, 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 pull. I don't want to have it exploded, destroy my finger, but you pull this out. Alright, the new one's going to be in, and after, baby. The before and after, baby. As you can see here, I got the G17 with the extended barrel and the extendo mag. No, I'm just playing, but I got the Ryobi out because I am not unscrewing that by hand again. Since we have extra pairs of these LED bulbs for my license plate lights, why not just put a pair in a little headliner light panel? So yeah, this is what they're gonna look like before, and I'll get to the after. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we have bad news. So only the poverty versions of this car with no controls up here, only like it's like a smaller panel. They have sockets for these type of style light bulbs. But this is like looks like a fuse, you know? So I got the rich boy model. So I'm running a whole different type of bulb size and setup. So yeah. Looks like I ain't doing any of that today. But I am going to clean this off. Because it's very dirty and there's dead bugs in it. Literally. Alright, but there's dead bug guts right there. I don't know how bugs even get in here, but they just do it. Mitsuba. Interesting. Well, I just wasted my time and I'm going to have a bunch of these lights left over. So let's see who wants some marker lights. Sponsor me, Ala Lighting. I want some more lights. Give me some turn signals, rear turn signals, and make sure they're red. And get me some of these if you guys sell the 2-prong batteries. I wish I could just get sponsored, but I don't have much of a following, so I can't. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, guys. As you can see, here's the after of all the lights I've put on. So, conclusion, we learned how to upgrade our brake light bulbs and our license plate bulbs. And yeah, this will be the end of my video. Actually, I do have one thing. I do have one thing left to install. It's this relay. So enough being said, we're going to cut to installing this tomorrow. Alrighty guys, it's a new day, and to start off, we're going to be using your interior tools to remove this little side panel right here. So this is what we want to take off, and then yeah, the turn signal relay is like somewhere in here. And you can only get to it with this kick panel right here pulled out. Alright, as you can tell, there's 4 clips holding this thing on and like a little sliding dowel thingy, but it goes like this, and all you do is pry it out. And how I did it was I took this tool and started up here, and I basically pried it out, and the seam just there was a gap, and I just kept on prying and it came off. Ow. So now it looks like we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and just kind of unscrew this part of the dash, pull it back, and the relay should be within reach. So yeah, I'll get the Ryobi again. Alright guys, I lied. I pulled out the old DeWalt. And yeah, so what we need to do is get rid of these little Phillips screws. So I guess I'll just do this with one hand.
Oh, that's gonna be tricky. Alright. Boom.
Alrighty guys, so I just pulled this back a little bit, and now we gotta locate where this said relay is at. I'm gonna find a way to remove it, and yeah, I might have to end up pulling this whole kick panel out, but frick, we'll just get to it. Check it out. So with a little bit of finagling, I got this kick panel to kind of dangle by its wires, so it's super sketch right now, but we got more room to mess with in here. So I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see where exactly this said relay's at, so I can replace her with the old, this one for LED. So yeah. Good news, guys. Well, I found the culprit. It's up there. Sort of bad news is, how am I gonna get that out? Hopefully it's easy and all, but I guess I will. Well, I can't even prop a camera up in here because you won't be able to see me pull it out anyway, so I'll just tell you how I did it after I pull it out. Alright, so you saw we finally got it unplugged, but we got to get it off the fuse thingy. Oh man, funny smell.
Yes. Alright.
So the new one's in. Gotta take this bullshit off. Hey guys, I finally, after like well, it didn't really take much. It took like maybe 30 minutes in total to wrestle this thing out of where it was going, hiding. But yeah, I already got the new one plugged in, as you saw in the old video or in the other clip. But let's go see if this sucker works. So yeah. Turn the radio off. We need to save as much battery as possible. Alright. Oh, it works. Hell yeah. Alright, as you can see guys, I clipped the fuse box back in right there. Here, let me get the flashlight out. So how you unclip it is, there's a clip there and one up there. You can barely see it. It's right there. And you just pull the tabs in and push it on out. And as you can see, the new turn signal thingamabobber right there. Hell yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it. I got everything put back together. The only thing left to do is put everything away, which is always the fun part. Yay! Well, that's gonna conclude the video. Thanks to those people who are watching. This video is meant for everybody who has the same car as me, which is like a 08 to 11 Impreza, 3rd gen Impreza. WRX STI works on WRXs and STIs as well. I like to document a lot of things because there's not a lot of 3rd gen Impreza stuff, and I have a 3rd gen Impreza, so everything I do to this car that's like aftermarket, I document it. So I keep saying so. I document it so you don't have to struggle on looking up forums and stuff like that on how to do it. 3rd gen Impreza aftermarket things are like really like almost like they're rare on YouTube. So I want to document everything I do with my car, from subs to LEDs to, you know, the relay, to taking apart your dash to get to the relay. I like to do all of that, so anybody who has the same car as me, 3rd gen Impreza, 08 to 11 Subaru Impreza, they can subscribe, and if they want to do the same thing I'm doing to my car, they know how to do it because I documented it. So that's gonna be the end of my video. Appreciate the views, I guess. But if you guys are wondering what company of lights I'm using, it's I'm running these Mars Audio LED lighting lights. I have a whole pack of them. So yeah, I got a whole pack of that. And I got these LED tail lights, and apparently these can strobe. They like flash a little bit, and then they hold to a steady what would you call that? Like a steady light. And then I'm also in the front end. So in the front, check it out, guys. So in the front end, I'm rocking these aux beam LED bulbs, but these are the old ones. This is what they look like, the old ones. I did this like a year ago, and there's the code, I guess. So they are switchbacks. So as you saw in the video, when I just had the running lights on, they were white, and then once you hit the turn signal, they're amber. So yeah,